Brinjal, also known as eggplant or aubergine, is a versatile vegetable that offers several advantages. Here are some of the advantages of consuming brinjal. 1. Nutritional value. Brinjal is low in calories and fat, making it a suitable choice for those aiming for weight management. It is also a good source of dietary fiber, potassium, and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin B6. 2. Antioxidant properties. Brinjal contains phytonutrients such as anthocyanins, which give it its deep purple color. These antioxidants help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancers. 3. Blood sugar control. Brinjal has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This makes it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. 4. Heart health. The presence of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in brinjal contribute to heart health. Dietary fiber helps in reducing cholesterol levels, while potassium helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. The antioxidants also protect against oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to heart disease. 5. Digestive health. The fiber content in brinjal aids in promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. It adds bulk to the stool and facilitates regular bowel movements. 6. Brain health. Brinjal contains certain compounds like niacin, which has been associated with promoting brain health. Niacin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect brain cells from damage and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 7. Versatile cooking ingredient. Brinjal is incredibly versatile in cooking and can be used in various dishes. It can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, stuffed, or used in curries, stews, and stir-fries. Its mild flavor allows it to absorb the flavors of other ingredients, making it a great addition to many recipes. It's worth noting that individual preferences and dietary considerations may vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice.